Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the next episode of North American Muslim Foundation's Senior Talk. Today on our talk we have a very compatible couple, Aleem Dar and Noreen Dar. Aleem Dar is very erudite in his nature, whereas Noreen is very vibrant. She loves to move around with friends. Both love to socialize in the community. Both love to volunteer in the community. So let's welcome this compatible and lively couple. Aleem Dar and Noreen Dar, welcome to the North American Muslim Foundation Senior Talk Show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
We are feeling great.
You're feeling good to be on the show today?
Yeah.
That's good, Noreen. We always miss your smile. That's so good of you to smile all the time. Our very first question to you is, Dar Sahab, why did you choose Canada and when did you come to Canada?
There were certain, it's a long story.
We would love to hear from you though.
To cut it short,
Yes.
the main purpose of our coming here was education
Okay.
of my daughter, who was 2.5 years old at that time when we came here.
Okay.
We came here on 23rd of December, 23rd of March, 1989.
Okay.
So we have almost spent 30 years in this country. And we came under sponsorship.
Okay.
Our brother sponsored us.
Oh, so you did have your family here?
Yeah, our brother sponsored us. And then I worked with him. Then eventually the business was closed. And I started working with the Islamic Foundation.
Okay.
First of all, I volunteered there as the assistant treasurer for almost 2 terms.
Okay.
Then I fell sick. I resigned from the board of directors. Then they called me back and they employed me. I worked there for nearly 1 year and 4 months.
Okay.
Then I was offered a position from Chicago
Okay.
by the Global Relief Foundation. So I migrated there. After when we were there in September, this 9/11 issue happened.
Okay.
So I had to come back. So after 1 year, I was back here again. Then I started working here and there, till I reached the retirement age. And that's what it is.
I know. That's very true. Destiny has got you back to Canada.
Yeah.
So what do you like about Canada?
The best thing which I like is the security.
Yeah.
Back home in Kenya, we didn't have any security, especially our color. Because most of the money was with the Asians
Yes.
and the Africans would rob them. So that was one of the reasons, because when they came to rob, they didn't look,
Yes.
to take the money,
Yeah.
but they shot you or they cut you with knives and then they robbed you.
Yeah.
And that was the reason we had to migrate.
And especially I think when you are blessed with children,
Yeah,
then you're
that's right.
constantly thinking about their security,
Right.
their
And
life
education,
and education, and you want to give them a secure life, and nothing better than Canada.
And on the side of education, they passed a law that the Africans would get first chance in education. If there are any spaces left, then the Asians will be allowed.
Okay. Yeah, so
So
it
the
was
best
imminent for you to leave at that time.
Best thing was to migrate.
Yeah. You did a good job. You did a good job about deciding to migrate to Canada. And since Noreen already had her family, so I'm sure the settlement process wasn't as tedious and wasn't as stressful as it would be for a normal person who would not have anyone,
Yeah.
right? So,
My family, they look after us very well. My elder brother was here,
okay.
so he sponsored us and he looked after us.
Of course, he's your brother.
Yeah.
He's family. That's what we call a family,
I
right?
lived with him, 6 months, and after that I bought a house, semi-detached bungalow
Okay.
in Canada,
Mhm.
and then we moved
Mhm.
And then I started getting my education here.
Oh, you did go back to school.
Yeah, I studied.
I would
in
go to
computer.
work, she would go to school, and my daughter would go to school.
School.
too.
That's the best part of, living in Canada, that you can go to school whenever you like. I'm thinking of going back to school maybe after my retirement.
I always studies, so I finished my computer in my
Okay.
high school,
Mhm.
and then I get training in middle school
Mhm.
for a few months,
Mhm.
and after that I start volunteer work.
Mhm.
And then government trained me as a assistant office clerk.
Okay.
So I got that job for 1 year,
Mhm.
and then again I start volunteer with Islamic Foundation.
Oh, okay.
Toronto.
That's awesome. That's
And
awesome.
from there to NAF,
Mhm.
and I start volunteer with them,
Okay.
me and my husband
Mhm.
both. So we keep on doing that, and I have so many friends, and
Yes.
even in this time, this COVID time, I have so many friends and
Mhm.
so many communities
Mhm.
detached with me.
Yeah, that's true.
So
That's
I
true.
enjoy it.
No, we always
Even
see you
inside
both,
I-
always wherever you go, then you both within the community,
Yeah.
you both are together.
I
So
have
everybody.
Such a nice people here.
Yeah,
Such
that's
a nice
true.
people.
That's
Such a nice company here.
Mhm.
So I'm especially blessed, that way.
Yeah, we are all blessed. We are all
Sure.
blessed.
It's a blessing of Allah.
Yes,
Yeah.
very true. Very true.
So
Amen.
these my all friends are my relatives now.
Yes.
So I attend ladies
Mhm.
groups and other ladies group,
Mhm.
even other religion lady group.
Of course,
Yeah,
of course.
I'm among everybody. So I enjoy
Yeah.
myself, and they enjoy with me too.
Yes,
So
you're
that
very
is a good
vibrant.
point.
Dasab, it's very interesting that you have a book to share with us. So, what is it exactly about the history about your family written or mentioned in that book?
You can see the title,
Can I have a book for the minute?
Settling in a Strange Land.
Settling in a strange land.
Mhm.
So, what is it
You
about?
see, read the line below.
Yeah, stories of Punjabi Muslim pioneers in Kenya.
Yeah. These
Ah.
So
people.
all these, all the people who went there
Mhm.
when the railway was being built and they settled down there,
Mhm.
all the stories are here in this book.
So, do you have any of your family stories
There is.
written in here?
Yeah.
There is
Full
So, who was the first person who went to Kenya?
my granddad.
Your granddad. Which year? Do you remember that?
Before the railway was being built,
in 1904 or 3. Like
no,
that.
18th century something.
18 something.
It's
Okay.
written in there,
Uh-huh, uh-huh,
18 something,
uh-huh.
1898 or something like that. I'll
Okay.
show you the page,
Yeah, it looks to be a very interesting book that has covered all or recorded all the stories of the immigrants who moved to Kenya. And was that during the era
This is
when
the
they were
picture-
building?
This is a picture of his family.
Oh,
Can
okay.
you show please this one?
Yes.
His grandfather
interesting.
and father.
Ah, so
Yeah.
here you go. This is a wonderful picture,
Yeah,
a
this is
historical
the whole family.
picture of Alim Dar's family who had migrated
You
to
see-
Kenya in the 18th century to build the
You
railway
see,
tracks.
you see 6 people on the left,
Yes,
on your right,
on to my right, yeah.
and the other are, from my
Father's side.
no, from my
Maternal side,
father and
mom's side?
sister's side,
Okay, father, sister side, okay,
Yeah.
aunts.
aunt's side.
Mhm.
So that is, one part is Dar family, one part is Magre family.
Okay,
What can one?
And there's
Uh-huh.
Malik also at the end.
at the end. It's so interesting that
Yeah.
they put a beautiful book together. I'm sure I would get to read this sometime. Thank you, Darsa, for sharing this book with us. Thank you so much. Yeah. And my next question to you both is there any specific medical service that you avail from for your health? Is there any specific treatment? How do you commute to your medical?
Normal treatment we go for.
Yeah.
Like whatever you get on the health card, that's it.
Mhm. So you
So
both are
you-
pretty healthy, you both are maintaining a good health. So do you find any gaps in the medical system here? Is there any
No,
type
not
of an
to see,
improvement that you would
No.
like to see?
Not to my knowledge.
Mhm.
And I've not experienced any ill feelings from anybody.
That's
or,
good. Uh-huh. Yeah, because you're keeping yourself healthy, right? You're doing
Yeah,
exactly
that's
what a senior is supposed to do. Don't rely on the system to keep you healthy, but then rely on yourself to keep you healthy. That's exactly what you both are doing.
Yeah,
That's
You
amazing.
see, I've been here in this country, I've been in the hospital several times, but I was treated fairly well.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
best
I've got no
service.
Yeah.
complaints.
Yeah. No, they treat us very well. Yes,
Yeah.
that's for
Even
sure.
Doctors are very nice.
Yeah.
You know, they
Yeah,
are
it's a-
almost my friends now.
Yeah, it's the most multicultural country in the
Yeah.
world, so
Yeah.
definitely, you know,
I
we
love
respect
that.
each other and we receive a lot of love from our professionals here. Yeah, how do you commute?
I drive.
You drive?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good
That
to
is
know.
the-
Wherever we want to go, we go together.
Okay,
And if she wants to go to ladies' function, I drop her.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I
always.
go and drop my daughter to work in the morning.
yeah.
Then I pick her up in the evening. I keep on driving.
You keep on driving, that's amazing, yeah.
I started driving at the age of 18. I'm
Okay,
still driving.
you're still driving, which is good, which is, you know, a driving force to keep you, you know,
Yeah.
healthy and active, which is good. And especially these days, how are you trying to maintain your physical and your mental health staying within the house?
We are living a normal life.
No,
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
We are together all the time.
all the
Yes.
time. Not
You
a
know, she cracks jokes and I crack jokes.
push
we-
you so much these days.
We watch TV shows,
Okay.
whichever we like, whether we like CP24 for news
Yes. Yeah.
and weather. And then we have got this ARY
Yes.
for dramas and all that. We are doing
So Urdu dramas you love to watch.
With the ladies irritated
Yeah.
And she goes on Zoom
all the time.
On the
We do.
program.
All my friends,
and what?
nephews and
She,
niece,
she,
they are
she goes
with
on
me.
3 groups.
Three
Oh,
groups,
that's
yeah.
amazing.
They keep me busy, and
Yeah.
that's why
Yeah.
I start,
And-
thinking about my home and my health.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm feeling same.
Yeah.
When
Because I'm busy all the time.
Yeah.
when she's on the Zoom,
Yes.
I'm alone.
You're at peace.
That's why.
I read the Quran.
That's so
Yeah.
nice of you. That's so nice. Yeah. You know, it's basically again comes down to how you're utilizing your time.
Yeah, that's right.
Be happy at all times,
Yeah.
no matter what comes in front
What
of us,
comes,
because that's
yeah.
not under our control.
Yeah.
What is under our control is how we are portraying our life, how we are utilizing our time,
Yeah.
how do we connect with the community,
That's
and
right.
how do we connect with ourselves from
Ourselves.
within.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, to maintain our sanity, there's so many things that you can do.
You see-
And I think you love plants, right,
Yeah, I
Noreen?
showed you the flowers.
Yeah.
This time I look after my flowers, and they gave me 2 times in January.
Uh-huh.
That big flower I
They
showed.
bloomed, huh?
Beautiful.
Aw.
So flowers start loving me because I'm staying at home.
Yes. Yes, your plants would love you because they are not left alone. Agree with you.
And
Agree.
this partner is also very
Also.
nice, mashallah.
Yes, mashallah.
So-
That's
My
good to
duty is
know.
watering them.
What? I agree. Yes, you have to take part in that. You know, garden therapy too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank God we have good company with each other.
That's exactly why I said you both are so compatible, mashallah. You know, you both are so compatible. Even when we look at you, you seem to be at ease with the community,
Yeah.
with the people, with your friends, and you both contribute a lot to the
You
community.
see, I used to volunteer in Kenya
Mm-hmm.
with the Masajid. And then when I came here, Dr. Jamil Dar,
Mm-hmm.
he knew me very well.
Mm-hmm.
And when I came here, he said, come to the foundation.
Yeah, so
I
he
said
introduced
no.
you to this
Yeah.
I
place.
said, no, not now.
Yeah.
Let me settle down first.
Yes.
After 4 years, they approached me again.
Mm-hmm.
Then I went in as assistant treasurer
Mm-hmm.
for a term of 2 years.
Yeah.
Then I felt sick.
Mm-hmm.
I resigned.
Mm-hmm.
They told me not to resign, but don't attend the meetings. I said, that's not my way.
Yeah.
If I can work, I will work. If I can't, I don't.
Mm.
So I resigned, and then I went to, they called me back
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
for work, full-time work,
Yeah.
and they did not give me an appointment letter.
Oh. And you joined.
I joined.
Yeah.
Then I was offered a job from Chicago.
Yeah.
I went there,
Mm-hmm.
9/11, I had to come back.
Mm. So
And
that's
then-
how do you manage your finances? Because I know you have been here for some time. So did you do any sort of financial planning so that you have a very peaceful retirement age when you retire, you know, a
see,
peaceful life
we-
as well at that age?
We live in a condominium. We used to live in a house,
Yeah,
and there were a lot of things to be done.
yeah,
You had to cut the grass, remove
Yeah.
the snow,
yeah.
clear
It's
out
too
the
much work
leaves
for
and
a
all that,
senior.
Too much work.
Yeah.
But in the condominium, everything is done for us.
But did you do any sort of a financial planning?
No, we actually we own this condo.
That's good. Do you receive a regular pension that all other seniors receive?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So you think that is sufficient for you?
Yeah, it's okay.
We survive.
You try to manage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we survive. So no
Yeah.
complaints.
That's
No
good.
complaints.
That's good.
In
Yeah,
government,
you're
no.
contented with what you receive and you try to make do with what you have.
Hmm.
Yeah, agree with you. Agree. Yeah, that is so wonderful that you had planned, you moved here and you have taken, you know, the life as per your plans and as per your family. And how much support system do you receive from the community, like, you know, to maintain a very healthy lifestyle overall? We have heard from you that yes, you're very, you know, active within the community. And how do you feel that the community supports you and in what way?
We don't get any. Actually, any kind of support from the community. We give to the community.
See,
Yeah.
that's what is amazing. You don't expect anything
We want
from
to
the
make
community.
everybody happy.
We
Yes.
we don't expect anything. Even when I was at the foundation, when I came back from Chicago
Yeah.
after 9/11, I was offered a job. I said no. Once I'm done with you, I'm done with it.
Yeah.
I don't want to get in there again because
Yeah.
there are a lot of.
You want to give
problems.
others an opportunity,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
to get a
yeah,
job.
that's right.
True.
And that,
True.
so as such, I've got no complaints.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
No
See,
complaints
when
whatsoever. Everything is from Allah.
yes,
Yeah.
He has blessed us,
yeah,
and that's it.
that's wonderful to
Even our
know.
time comes and we both
Times
fight
come
with
and
it.
go.
Yeah.
Times come and
Yeah,
go.
yeah. You have to stick to each other, cling to
Yeah.
each other as a family, as a couple.
Yeah.
You know, provide support to each other. The same thing when it comes, you know, to the community during hard times when you are giving back to the community. That's so much of peace that you would gain. So much of generosity that you have to give back to the community because you have lived your life and now
We-
it's turn
we-
for you
we
to
used to-
mentor
Yeah.
We used, to
youngsters.
we used to do line collection at the foundation,
Yes.
Both of
both
us.
of us. She
Yeah.
would do in the ladies, I would do in the gents. Then count the money, put it in the bank and all that. Then when I joined Farooq, I did the same thing here. I'm still doing it.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
Both of us, we are.
Wonderful,
Still doing it.
wonderful. Wonderful. That's amazing, Darsab, to hear from you and amazing to hear from you, Noreen. You know, we wish you all the best and we hope you both stay healthy, stay together, you know, commute together and join the programs together. And viewers, like we have heard from Noreen Dar and Aleem Dar, they are a vibrant couple, we know that, and there's so much that they would love to contribute to the society, to the community. And if you would, you know, do a little bit of research about Canada, Canada is one country in the world that has the most registered charities. And we not only try to provide this charitable status and provide all the charitable services within Canada, but we try to reach the people across the globe. And we hope that, you know, we endure a lot more through this generosity. And we hope you enjoyed the talk show for today. Stay tuned for our next guest on North American Muslim Foundation Senior Talk from your host, Sajida Khan. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.